or too loud?
Too fucking loud.
YouTube. What go on YouTube if you know say I dirty? But this the camera lean. I'll do one line that in night will say straight. Yeah, one line for the day we're white. What go on YouTube if you know say Duttyboiilee out there. As you can see, we're not on the road where we are. Oh! We're supposed to wonder why I'm not up on the road. Why I'm not the question them. May I go to the comment section and people are saying, yo, when you come back, when you do this, and then next side of the comment section I say,
bro, you are asking people question and you look like you done yourself.
So today me I go prove to people say, me not done.
You're done. Yeah. We all know. You're gonna prove that you're done. Yeah.
Alright, fine, we are gonna prove to them some done. Because I don't know why me like prove some done. Obviously I prove some done.
You're done, so yeah.
Anybody asks, that's one Aliberry behind the camera. So today, I made my girlfriend.
Your wife. Babe mother.
Yeah, not my wife. Oh! Yet. Jesus Christ. Ali, just calm down now. Let me do the video. Just calm down.
Still a ring, I'm gonna flush it.
No ring that on your finger. Relax. Relax.
2,000 years later.
So today, we are gonna put my knowledge to the test. I have my wife behind the camera. She has 20 questions. Baby, you ready for jumping in?
Yeah.
You ready for jumping in? So what kind of question you have? You have like easy, hard, or just mix up? Everything mixed? So we have to start off with. I start with some easy question first, or you do some hard question first.
If anyone comes.
Anything come.
Yeah.
Alright. May I finish with this? I got farm. Welcome to Testing Your Knowledge with Duttyboiilee. When you are the judge / host / whatever, someone else make you take it over from right here. So she have 20 questions for ask me. May I get all 20 of them right? Because me right box. Obviously. Remember the girl would say, "Mo bright."
Warmid. Boom, right.
I mean actually bright. May I get all of them right?
Sure.
I'm sure like the sea.
Alright. First question. Which branch of the US government interprets the law?
Which branch of the US government interprets the law?
Yeah.
What do you mean interprets? Interprets mean, can you use the word interpret in a sentence, please?
Really, nigga?
Which branch of the US government interprets the law?
How many branches are there?
You ask question or me?
Damn.
Which branch?
Mm-hmm.
The Federal Bureau.
Nope.
Federal branch.
Nope. Guess again.
The politician branch.
One more guess.
When by which branch? As in which state?
Guess
I mean, I
again.
understand the branch argument. Which branch? I don't know. Pass.
Judicial.
The what?
Judicial.
You may try to say that. Say it again.
Judicial.
Subscribe.
Alright, 19 may I get right. May I get 19 out of 20? Still a pass mark. 19 out of 20 about how much? 95% or 90%? Which one? I'm not sure. Come in, next one. Check.
What ancient civilization built the pyramid?
The Egyptians. Yeah. Oh yeah, skip number 2. I go on number 3.
No,
ask question.
what you look for?
Yo, this girl thief. I did the game just start, bro. Next question.
What was main cause of the American civil?
Why you ask so much question about America? Do I live in America? Me know not about Civil War. Alicia, you ask me question about me know about, bro. You have from Jamaica.
So you don't say the Civil War, but I go say.
Obviously, I'm a Civil War. I can't see me talk about.
Hey, bro, come on now, dog. Come on, man.
When you ask the people them on the TV a question what they don't know.
Them question are common sense question. All down to my granny know them question.
Well, the granny know this.
Go ask she then. We not gonna ask she.
So why them never tell to ask your granny?
That are them.
Answer the question.
No, ask the question again.
What was the main cause of this American Civil War?
The main cause.
Yeah.
The main cause of the American Civil War. Bzzz. The answer is, yeah, them that fight over woman. So the French are say, yo,
Shut up.
poverty.
Slavery and state rights.
So poverty, that's slavery come under. Poverty come under slavery.
Just stop.
Alright guys, I'm not gonna get 18 out of 20, but I'll get 17 out of 20. Promise you that time. Promise. Go on.
What was the name of the ship that brought the pilgrims to the America in
Alicia,
1620?
cut.
You can't ask me so much question about America. I do not know American history. Ask me about Hallbogle.
Everybody know riddles and all these things. And what goes up and come down and what goes in and what goes out.
Everybody know that.
And everybody know it. Shut up and
Them things America gonna know this.
That's your question. When you for exam, in an exam, you may do CXC. You get tell them say,
go America.
your favor.
Favor what? Come favor.
Come on.
Alicia, you can't.
What was the name of the ship that brought the pilgrims to the America in 1620?
You have to give me a hint if you're gonna ask me them questions. Where it start?
Start with M. I want that M. And end with ER. So that's the one that?
A one word?
2 word.
So the first word start with M, and the last word start end with ER, or the first word end with ER?
The last word.
The last word end with ER. So where last word start with?
M. The last word start with F.
The last word is freighter. The last word is freighter.
You want
Marshall freight. No, hold on. It start with F. And the end with ER. I must freighter.
You want it, I guess?
Which other F words that start with F and end with ER? Motherfucker. What give up? Tell me what?
It's a Mayflower.
Mayflower? Alicia, nobody now gonna know them answer here, bro.
I know me.
Them thing are for American thing. You can't give me no bother American question, bro. Me don't live in America.
Who invented the telephone?
Jesus Christ. Alicia, how do you know who invented the telephone? Me never own a
There.
Hello? Who's who call you back? Me I do a video right now. As I say, me never own a telephone. Isaac Newton.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
Guys, if you like a 15, if you like a 15, me I go get right. Me I get 15 correct out of 20.
Whenever say one.
But promise.
When you say one, you would have said one.
What tree though? A tree man.
They can't 6.
I remember some get half mark, you know.
Half mark
So
for what?
all of them question there, them full question they ask me, we get half mark. I'm start live in America, you ask me.
No, who invented the telephone?
I'ma just tell you say George William.
George William.
Stop hype me up about George
George
William.
William.
Nobody with that man.
George William what?
God.
It's Alexander
Alexander
Graham Bell. What? Who wrote the Declaration of Independence?
You don't even know what the Declaration of Independence is. You know what that is?
Ali?
I want I president name. George Bush. Either George Bush, Lincoln.
I know say it go. Choose one.
Me don't say George Bush.
Wrong.
Lincoln then. Lincoln.
It's still wrong.
Shut up, don't tell me.
You don't guess
But
it.
no, I can't get one more guess. Am I sure? Let me answer then.
Thomas Jefferson.
So not me that say. Him nickname a George. Him nickname a George. Thomas Jefferson. A George you call him.
Go find this correct that. How many bones are in the adult body? Human body.
Jesus Christ.
See, it's an easy one. Yeah.
This is an easy one, but I don't remember. I don't remember. We know say start with 3. 392 or 362?
You want a third guess?
Alicia. Alright, you what? If we can tell you the region with you know.
Nope.
No, sir.
Nope.
Come in, baby.
Hey.
At 300 and something.
Nope.
300.
300 and what?
And a 300.
300 and what?
Tell me for 300.
300 and what?
362 bones in a human body.
No.
You want a last guess?
Alicia, tell me for your 300. 300.
300 and what?
Is it 300?
300 and what?
Alright, so if we subtract 15 from 35 and then square root of 25 equals 120. So that means a 15 plus minus 33. 33 carry the 9 minus 15, 25, 352 bones in the human body. 359. 59.
Want a second?
Me give up.
I give up?
Yeah.
It's 206.
Where we get 300 from? Who tell me 300? Who tell me that?
Your brain. Fuck brain. Which gas do plants use for photosynthesis?
Which gas do plants use for photosynthesis?
Mm-hmm.
That would be carbon dioxide.
So me get the easy one.
Get me to 3,000 subscribers and I will do a video with my girlfriend and embarrass her.
But what is 68
68.
times 9?
68 times 9?
Mm-hmm.
68 times 9. Jesus Christ. 9 9's over. 9, 10 and 90, so 9, 8. 9, 10 and 90, so 9, 8, 81. 1 carry 8, 9, 6. 9, 6 of 54. 9, 6 of 54? Sorry, 9, 6 of how much? Wala na, Ali. I'm think about it. 9, 6 of 54, yeah. 9, 6, 54 plus 6, that's 60. So the answer is 601. Why you laugh? Hold on. What was the question? The 68 multiplied by 9.
Yes.
68. A bag of foolishness we just said? It's a bag of foolishness we just said? Yo, cut the video. I'm not do no more video.
Hello.
68. 68.
You
Multiplied by 9.
don't get it wrong.
Listen up. 9 times 8 is 81.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I see what I do wrong.
You get it wrong already?
No. 801 that answer.
What?
Don't waste my time. Go and get a carton, a paint brush, call your mother, paint on her face. If you want somebody for clown now. I'm not running them joke. Don't waste my time.
Listen.
Lee,
9 times 8.
It best. Listen what I say. Best.
9 times 8 is 81. They put on the 1 and carry the 8. 9 times 6 is 54. 54 plus 8. 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. That's 62. That's 621.
Fully done.
Yeah, million and only.
621 is my final answer.
You're wrong.
Again?
Oh God.
How can I multiplication me I do? 54. 55, 56,
Just shut up. You
58,
embrace
59,
yourself more and more.
60, 61. Yeah, 611. None of them say.
Pussy. It's 612. Just shut up.
Say that what you say.
You say 11. You're going at 80 odd. You're going at 60 odd.
I can't 612, 601, 611.
612.
600, give me phone.
Say.
Shut up, Mom.
Go
Shut
for
up,
it.
Mom.
Excuse for my thump in your face, no, man. See?
Emotional, damn it.
Ali, I saw my time no school done with. I don't know what kind of question.
What is 96 times 3?
What kind of book of maths you give me? 9 and 6.
You get 1 in a maths now. So, You need to-
96 times 3.
Mhm.
96 times 3. 3 6 is 18. 8 carried 1. Ready? 3 6 is 8. 18. 8 carried 1. 3 9s. 3 9s are 27. 28 at 288.
Sure?
100%. 288.
You're 100% sure?
100% sure.
Don't tell us that wrong.
That can't run.
You know, say can't wrong.
Because I'm sure myself.
Say sure this, but they never sure for son.
288 is the correct answer. Give me my point.
Say sure what the next
Maybe
time.
tell us that 612. The camera did it for sure. Man, I forget my point.
Cap.
What is Jamaica national tree?
Tree, right? Not floor.
Yeah, tree.
It start with M, right? It's the mahogany. Ano sa'yo? Ano lignum vitae a floor? Ano lignum vitae a floor? So the mahogany tree. Why you laugh? Why you laugh? Oh,
Why oh boy?
not tree, you say?
Not the number tree. Tree.
Who's tree?
If you don't know, if you know.
Oh, you mean if you know? You don't know.
You give up? You want the last guess?
Hold on. Me take your last guess. Hold on. National tree. No bird, they say, you know, because bird a doctor bird. Flower lignum fighting. Why could you give me flower? Ali, me stick to me answer. Wrong and strong.
Blue maho.
So you know what I say?
Let me tell you what your parts
Oh,
here.
mahogany, me say, Jesus Christ. Ali, I true with the mahogany, it sounds similar.
Okay.
Mahogany.
Yes. I know. Next bright. Next year get 20 or 20. Eh?
Yellow.
You're not even past 5. Oh god. What popular Jamaican Easter treat is spice and eaten
Bun.
with
You see that? You see how easy me get Jamaican answer them because I'm Jamaican. I'm not American. You talk about Civil War and independence.
so you never get the
action.
first one right.
Which first one? What was the first question?
The tree. When I get the tree right.
Ali, we mix up. Remember say you need say
Okay.
you need say
Okay.
tree out a door. You make it sound like a 1, 2, 3. Something Jamaica national tree.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Just next question.
What is the name of the Jamaica fruit
Jamaican.
that can be boiled
Aki.
and fried?
Boiled and fried. Which Jamaican fruit can be boiled and fried? The most breadfruit.
What is Saint Elizabeth known as?
The bread basket. Rrr.
That alone?
Yes.
That alone?
Me don't know what else you want to add to it. Bread basket carrot though. So if you want to give me 3/4 points, give me 3/4 points.
Okay, get half point.
Me not get a half. Me say 3/4.
You left off something.
Saint Elizabeth.
Mm-hmm.
The bread basket parish.
Okay. You left out the parish.
So parish you want me to say? How would blows and straight.
What is the common Jamaican slang word for a police officer?
Babylon boy. Next question.
What is the name of the highest mountain in
Blue
Jamaica?
Mountain.
Okay.
Yo, you see how me I breeze through the Jamaican question now?
I'm gonna get it easier.
See how me I breeze through the Jamaican question?
You
My
never get the
side.
first one right.
My side, get me to 3,000 subscribers. Share up the video, share up the video.
What is a popular Jamaican term to describe someone who is jealous and
Bad mind. Ali, just give me the full 20 marks and done. Calm this up, breathe. So, alright, it's if every three we get correct, just give me an extra point. I some for see it. Every three we get correct, just give me an extra point. Just yeah.
you want the extra brain.
Yeah, try embarrass me in front of
Yeah, embarrass yourself.
You see me in front of
Because you come and
my supporters them.
you
come with the argument.
you come-
I try bring me down.
you come and you hype up yourself and say you're bright, you get all 20 right and this and that and that and that. What is the name of a Jamaican food that fried and usually eaten with fish?
Right. Ano ba mi yata bo? Eh?
What is your answer?
Bami. Wala. Bami. Yes or no? Can you not talk to me? Yes or no? Things.
What is the name of the fruit drink
Yeah.
often sold by vendors at schools?
Then now they sell bag juice at school. So I don't know what kind of fruit drink you talk about.
And let me write the question.
A bag juice?
Yeah.
What
What is it?
Salon is it?
Alright.
Bag juice and chichi.
What is the name of the small round pastry often eaten with pear
Bola.
or cheese?
Bola. Feel bola still in bola.
Ready for the last bonus question?
Last bonus question. So was there a first
Let's stop
bonus
it.
question?
Just shut up.
But yeah, listen, last bonus
This is
question.
why
If there's a last bonus question, there has to be a first bonus
This
question.
is why I don't get 20 because you chat too much.
Damn!
5 marks the bonus question worth. 5 marks. I'm gonna catch what the thing. Give me the bonus question.
What is the name of a Jamaican artist that give bun?
What is the name of a Jamaican artist that give bun?
Yes.
You want me name a Jamaican artist where I give bun, or the name where they would have commonly called
An
it?
old time, in my old time artist. Man a dancehall artist.
Where give bun?
Mhm.
He's not a Jamaican. He's not. Where him come from?
He's a Jamaican artist.
He's a Jamaican artist.
Yeah. Just not dancehall artist.
So how can he be a Jamaican artist but not a? Well, that is possible, but you say old time back in idea. Old time back in idea. If he's a Jamaican artist, he's a dancehall artist. I don't really know.
We just literally just.
Dancehall? Oh, he's not a dancehall artist. So I mean, say he can be a reggae artist.
Anybody?
What do you start with?
Answer the question. Oh, we can't do that.
Then you have to give me the 5 points then. You have to give me the 5 points then. Okay? Alright?
Me not spare for nothing. Answer the question.
Skirt. No reggae artist now give out.
Okay.
Yes, all time.
Whole time.
Name one song where you sing.
Me can't get it.
Which part you live now?
Why you ask me, you know?
But that Bob Marley alone if I'm mind right now. I'm gonna know old time artist, Jamaican. Brother Bobby Harman, Lord Fire. I'm gonna know that one yeah. Might as well say that and get that. You must can give him a half mark for Bob Marley, bro. Cause they remember saying half. Rita and him have. Which name Selena and then him have Chelsea and him have Brenda.
I make you half point.
You give him a half point? What the answer?
Bob Marley.
Alicia! Fuck you, bro.
You asked half
Fuck you,
point.
bro. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed the video, roll up your likes, get me to 500 likes, and me get a girlfriend to do one of the video with me. I will test intelligence.
We get 12 and a half, eh?
We get 12 and a half. The last one, the full marks, we get.
Yes, you want half.
I don't want to half bar, 13. Give him 30. And if 1 point, I forget, I get 5 points.
You never
So I
agree
say
to.
17, I forget. 17, I forget.
No.
13 out
The
of.
only reason why I did well, I become make them easy for you, you know.
Alicia, the only reason why my name do well is because you give me about American questions.
No, social study or something. So.
Anyways, get me to 3K subscribers. Get me to 3K subscribers before the end of. I wish my win me. Before the end of May. I want to step in a June with 3,000 subscribers. Share it up with your auntie, your granny, your mother, your father, even the 3 dogs them out the road. You see me, I said the push the running in the yard, people, the meat and call. Yeah, share it with everybody. Make sure you say everybody subscribe on that thing. Get me to
All of them dead granny too, yeah?
Dead granny can't watch this, Ali.
You don't know
Dead
that?
granny can't watch this.
You don't know that?
You upset dead grandfather and them alone are go watch it. Jesus, man. As I say, subscribe, get it out there. Follow me on Instagram, Duttyboiilee. Follow me on TikTok, Duttyboiilee. My name is Duttyboiilee on all platforms. Get it popping, subscribe, and all of them nice things there. Guys, me I go back on the road. Dutty Boy Street Quiz. We are going to get it popping. Make sure you subscribe. Because I'm not drop a video until we reach 3,000 subscribers. Remember that. That's it.